Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the text behind the subject effect on CapCut. So let's get started. So here we are in our CapCut right here. And from here, we're going to import our video into our timeline. So this is the video that we will be using. And the first thing that we would need to do is put the text right here. So let's go and import our text right here, default text, and put it here. And I want to go it for the duration of the video. So you can also do what you want. You can also do it like this one if you'd want to. But in my case, it'll be like this. And then I'm going to go type in. Let's go for corporate. Maybe, corporate. Maybe great. And after that, you want to go for the font size. Let's just go for the basic fonts. I'm not adjusting any fonts right here just so that you could easily, we could easily go through this tutorial right here. And let's go for black so that you can see it right here. So we're going to go for a bigger one right here. Let's go and fill up the screen. And I'm going to go for here, just like that. And yeah. And now the next thing that we're going to do is simply going to duplicate our video right here. So to duplicate your video, hold on the Alt key and then drag your video just like this one. And you will be able to duplicate it. And yeah, this is how it is. And now all we have to do now is basically just go into the duplicated video and go into video, click on video right here and go into cutout and click on auto cutout right here. Click on auto cutout right here. And now all we have to do is basically just wait for it to finish processing. As you can see at the side, you can see that it's currently processing at 90%. So let's just wait for it. And now it's completed. Now all we have to do is go select the clip that you haven't cut out. So it will be this one, the base clip and the text clip. So select both of them by clicking on Control and selecting both of them and click on right click and then click create compound clip. Click on it and now there's a compound clip, and as you can see now the text has been moved into the back of the person right here on your subject. But remember, here on CapCut, only person can be cut out like this automatically. If you want to cut out non-person things, then you would need to mask it out yourself. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.